I thought there was a lot of cheese on the cheesy pub chicken sandwich, but you clearly went all out here.
There's places in here where there isn't cheese right now.
I know. I'd like to keep it that way.
Cheese it up with the cheesy pub chicken sandwich. This is how you Sonic.
All right, let's go. Yeah! Woo! There you go, Pete. Hey, he's got the bear hug. I got the little mic on.
Yeah, no worries.
Tanner, over here. Chill. Hey, you're good, chill. Put your damn hands down, huh? Don't act like you didn't do anything. Let's go. Yeah, Sergio! Don't slow down, baby! Don't slow down! Hey, Eric, I think your QB days are over.
You get scouted or get a scholarship?
Scouted by who?
Get a scholarship?
Nah, man. Wow.
13 out of 11.
I'm 5'11", bro. They don't give scholarships to 5'11" linemen.